Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're out here with a 1983 Yamaha RD250LC 4L1. But you can buy a ticket to win the bike, and the draw is on the 6th of October at 8 PM. So what I'm going to do now is show you around the bike, and we'll start it, and you can see what you think. So first thing we need to do, turn the ignition on. Kickstart here. Fuel was on the other side, so just turn that on. We've got a choke as well, which is like a button you need to pull out on the carb. There's no electric start, so it's all cold, as you can see. Now we'll see what happens. It's easy as that. So now I'll show you around. So here we are, the beautiful Yamaha RD250LC. It's in the Mars Bar colours, which is the red and black, obviously, with the bits of gold pinstriping. It's got the tie bars. This particular model has the original matching engine and frame numbers. It's all been fully restored, so like a really high standard. See lovely paintwork, really quiet, smooth engine. Takes over straight away. As you saw at the start of the video, it's really easy to start. You just need to put the weight of your leg on it and it basically fires and runs up. Really clean. Looks really good in the English countryside. A lot of people had these when they were 17, before they brought the law in where you were only allowed to ride at 50, then a 125, so they're really quick bikes at the time. Over 100 miles an hour, faster than most cars on the road. And at 17, they're a bit of a weapon. I think a lot of kids did kill themselves though on these two-stroke 250s, with the GT 250, KH 250. I think there was Benelli 250 as well, two-stroke. They were super quick bikes, so you can see why they brought the law in. So you fancy a ticket, $2.99 as always, and this one ends on the 6th of October at 8 PM. If you do buy one, thank you very much for supporting us. It helps us to buy lots more bikes and even nicer bikes in the future, so we really appreciate it. The website is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Thank you and goodbye.